What's up guys, welcome to another video, and first of all congrats to every Samsung lover because we have a first look of a Samsung Galaxy S21. Whether it's end up being called the Galaxy S21 or Galaxy S30, it's pretty clear that Samsung is working on a new flagship phone that will likely launch in 2021 to take on Apple's iPhone 12 lineup. Thanks to Steve Hammerstoffer, also known as on Leaks, we now have a first look at what the Samsung Galaxy S21 may look like. Hammerstoffer published the renders on the social network Voice, and it looks the Galaxy S21's release date could be sooner than we thought. The 6.2-inch device has a pinhole camera in the center of its edge-to-edge display, although those with a dislike to bezels may cringe at just how thick the frame of the handset seems to be. It seems Ice Universe is among us those are annoyed. Still, the cutout for the front camera is much smaller than the notch on the iPhone 12 display. Apple did not shrink the notch for its new lineup as many had hoped. The most interesting design choice is on the back of the handset, where the triple camera housing appears to wrap around the edge of its phone. It's a different style and one that looks quite appealing in this render. It looks like the camera bump sticks out a bit, which means that the phone may vibrate a bit when placed face up on a table, a problem that also affected the Galaxy S20 Ultra. At least you are getting a third telephoto lens on the Galaxy S21. You have to step up from the iPhone 12 to the iPhone 12 Pro to get a true optical zoom. Most exciting of all, however, is the news that we may not have as long to wait as usual. While Samsung has unveiled a new Galaxy S handset in February-March every year since the 2013, Hammer Stoffer says the company will go early this time around. If you recently heard a rumor claiming the Galaxy S21 series launching may happen sooner than usual, more specifically in January, none that my own sources verify this rumor. He wrote, yes, Samsung will officially introduce the Galaxy S21, Galaxy S21 Plus, and the Galaxy S21 Ultra in the January 2021. One thing that goes unmentioned here is the S Pen support, which is strongly rumored to be coming to the Galaxy S21 series in the some form, but given we have heard that Samsung's own pressure sensitive stylus is an optional accessory, that's not wholly surprising. We were not expecting to see a holster on the device. Otherwise, we are expecting the Galaxy S21 to have specs worthy of a 2021 Samsung flagship. While early benchmarks have not suggested great things from the Exynos 1000 chipset, it's hoped that Samsung will include a Snapdragon 875 for the US, on top of which the handset could pick a 108 megapixel main sensor, and there's talk of a dual photo lenses, which could be a game changer for the smartphone photography. And I hope that you like this video, so before going to anywhere, please subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos.